I'm middle. This is Shahrukh from Auto Services Provider. This is 2009 Toyota Corolla 1ZR engine. They have a particular issues. So they have a noise whenever you start the engine, and if you see it, I was middle of job, so basically I'll give you just a quick. So we have to remove 10 millimeter, all of them 10 millimeter. It's 11 bolts on the intake manifold, 11 bolts for a valve cover, and the rest of the bolts are on the valve cover, so you don't have to take it off everything. So you just keep it like this. Everything you just remove the bolts. Advice is whenever you're changing it, change the new gasket and change this as well. So you don't have to remove the timing, complete the cover and everything. You just have to do top dead center, and they have a mark over here. If I can able to focus it a little bit. Camera is not focusing it, but that will be around somewhere. I can make it easy to look. Okay, there should be a notch over here. Camera is not getting it, but point my finger, and that's under that. I'm not able to take a correct shot. These are two ground 10 millimeter. So you have to remove it, put it on bolts back to the valve cover. They have a 10 millimeter over here, 10 millimeter over here, 10 millimeter over here. So you just remove it, put it bolts back, so you know it, remember it whenever you're fixing back. So this is, I'm going very, this is a exhaust came, and this is intake came. So in this situation we will not get these points right, but whenever we put it on top dead center, the mark over here, it should be matching over here. It will come over here, and second mark will be coming straight. If I'm able to show you, it will become around 12 o'clock over here, and that will be around 1 o'clock, and that came should be almost like a 45 degree. It's showing you notch up. So timing is up, standard 0, and make sure that crank timing it should be 0, so you can have a correct timing. If it's something, sometimes it jumps 1 or 2 teeth, it will not hurt, but whenever you're fixing it, just make sure it will be on 0, and these cames has to be on the 45 degree. So these are the notches. It has to be faced like this, both sides. So I hope that will be help you out for this timing procedure. For that procedure, whenever you're fixing back, change these 2 of them. And for right now, I have to do, whenever I make it top dead center, then I'll make it loose these bolts and put it on. This one will be little bit more bolts, so you have to take it out, and once it's moved, this one will be 10 millimeter as well. You have to remove this thing and change this one as well. Normally they have a 3 type of guides. You can fix it, any of them, it doesn't matter. So I mean, if it's fixed in the bolt pattern, which is same, models and aids are different, so they upgraded by it. The rest of the thing is look good. So only noise whenever they start the engine and they start shaking a little bit, so that's a phaser problem. Toyota have a recall on these phasers, but if it's in under 100,000 miles or something somewhere, so now this is out of warranty, so I have to do it. This is overall view, and I'll let you know if I get in trouble. Otherwise, please share, subscribe my channel. This is Shahrukh from Auto Service Provider. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.